Okay, in this video we learn what are the basics in the oscillators. Okay, so first we'll see. First, what is the oscillator? Definition of oscillator: a circuit which generates a signal continuously. That means periodically. Okay, then we say it is a oscillator circuit. Okay, so examples under this is we have RC oscillators, LC oscillators, crystal oscillators. Okay, any circuit which can generate a continuous signal, okay, without any input given, then it is called a oscillator circuit. Okay, so we'll try to classify different types of oscillators. Okay, so depending on the frequency range they generate, okay, they are classified into low frequency and high frequency. Okay, low frequency generally are from 0 to kilohertz, 0 to 200 kilo. They are called audio frequency range. Okay, high frequency like above 200k, they are called the radio frequencies. Okay, so that is the first classification. Second classification is depending on the type of feedback network, okay, or the components. Okay, so a oscillator generally has first amplifier and a feedback network. Okay, we'll see in the block diagram in the next section. Okay, so in that the feedback network, what type you are using or what components you are using. Okay, if I use a LC, then it is called a LC type of oscillator. Okay, generally this is used for high frequencies. Then if you use RC, then it is called for low frequencies. Okay, and we use crystals which is more stable. Okay, generally in microprocessor all we use crystals oscillator. Okay, because it is more stable. Okay, so this is the second classification. Third one, depending on the type of waveform they generate. Okay, like some sawtooth, square, triangle. Okay, shape, depending on the shape what they generate, they are called. Okay, so in some cases we require sine, some we require square. Okay, sorry, this is not square, sine. Okay, so this is second classification. And fourth one is feedback. Okay, so whether you are using feedback or no feedback. Okay, so in our RC oscillators here all we use feedback. Okay, only in UJT relaxation oscillator which does not have any feedback, there is no feedback, the circuit only oscillates like a oscillator. Okay, so this is the classification of oscillators. Okay, so generally these only are the classification. Okay, next we will see the general block diagram of a oscillator. So this is general block diagram of a oscillator. Generally it has one amplifier which has some gain A. Okay, amplifier circuit. Then it has one feedback network. Okay, feedback network with some gain called beta. Okay, so this is called the feedback gain, which is generally your tune circuit or resonant circuit. Okay, feedback one. Okay, so generally a oscillator block diagram is this. It has one amplifier, it has some feedback network, and is a loop. Okay, closed loop. Next we'll see what do you mean by Bargain's criteria, also called the conditions for oscillations. Whenever a circuit should work like oscillators means two conditions should be satisfied. One is called A beta equal to 1. What is A? Gain, forward gain, and beta is a feedback gain. These two products should be equals to 1. Okay, suppose A is 3, B should be 1 by 3. Okay, so RC also you will see that A beta should be equals to 1. When this is 1, then only you will get sustained oscillations or conditions for oscillation. Then what is second condition? Second condition is the total phase shift of the circuit should be 0 or 360. Okay, that means this total phase shift of the amplifier, feedback, whatever the loop should be 0 degrees or 360 degrees. Okay, so this is the conditions for oscillation. So in oscillators, these are the first basic steps you have to know. Okay, so this is, in the next video we'll see the different types of oscillators. Okay, we have classified now in this, so we'll see different types. Okay, LC and RC types of oscillators. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you. Please like, do, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and give feedback on this. Okay, any topic you want in this to extend, please comment. Okay, thank you for watching.